Stay tuned to find out how to make this DIY lighthouse container. First, you're going to take your glass jar, the lid, your terracotta pot, and the lid from an old glass scent container outside and spray paint them white. You want to make sure you do even coats, making sure you cover all areas, and let each coat that you do dry. Once everything is dry, you're going to take your 3 pieces, the lid, the terracotta pot, and the top from the scent plug-in, and assemble them together. Just using hot glue, you'll glue the terracotta pot to the lid of the glass jar, and then the top from the Glade plug-in scent, and glue that to the top of your terracotta pot. Next, we're going to add our stripes to our lighthouse using washi tape. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but I have the hardest time getting the washi tape to go straight on circular objects. So if any of you guys watching has any tips for me, please leave me a comment down below. But we're going to use this blue acrylic paint to paint on our stripes. We're going to just paint a couple of stripes on just to differentiate and make this really look like a lighthouse. Also going to add a stripe onto the top of the lighthouse or the lid. I used my finger because I had already cleaned my paintbrush and I did not want to dirty it up again. So as you can see, I just kind of freehanded this stripe going across the top of the lighthouse container. To finish our lighthouse, we're going to add a few more decorations. I'm taking this rope and tying it around a few of these faux twigs that I had left over from a different DIY project, and I'm going to basically add them as rope around the lighthouse. So I tied the 3 sticks to the rope, and then I'm going to simply hot glue each one of the sticks to the container. Once I got done doing that, I went ahead and drew on a door and a few windows just to try to make the lighthouse as authentic as possible. Remember, colors for your lighthouse are completely up to you. It's interchangeable. You can use any colors that will work best for you and the space that you're going to put this in. And here is the finished lighthouse container. I think it came out really cute. I added a strip of black around the top of the lid where I hot glued each piece together just to add another element of design to it and to camouflage the hot glue. I really like how this came out. You can use this to store little trinkets, or if you are a collector of marbles, you could store your marbles in here. Really, it's up to you what you want to use this for storage as. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what colors you would paint your DIY lighthouse container and what you would use to store in it. Thanks so much for joining me for a video this week. I apologize that I did not post a video last week. I just had a lot of things going on, but I am back at it this Tuesday, and you should see a video from me next week as well, and ongoing. Anyways, thank you for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave me a comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, like this video, and subscribe for more content from me. I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are, and make sure you always stay creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.